In this video I'm going to show you how to fit sound into a Bachmann 117 DMU. This method also works if you've got a factory fitted sound model and you want to upgrade the speakers. Start by using a plastic prizing tool along the edge of the body and pull it upwards away from the chassis. Next you need to take out the screws which hold the lighting PCB. Lift the PCB away from the interior. Be careful of the plug which connects this to the chassis. Next you need to take out the screws which hold the seats onto the chassis. Underneath the seats there's one more PCB which you need to lift up. To do this, just take out the two screws which also hold the speaker. Under the PCB you'll find the speaker, which you can take out and you don't need to reuse. Connect the new speaker to the speaker terminals on the circuit board. These are marked SP1 and SP2. The speaker terminals already have wires on them which need to be left in place, so carefully solder the wires on top of them. Both ends of the model have a speaker fitted, so you need to repeat the process in the dummy car. Only one end has a decoder, so the positioning of the speaker is slightly different at each end. Other than that, the process is the same. The sound decoder and speakers that we used are available from the Roads and Rails website. If you found this video useful, please leave a like below. This helps more people to find it. The final step of the installation for me was to increase the bass slightly on this Wheeltappers sound file. These speakers are quite powerful, so can handle the extra bass. If you increase it too much though, the interior does start to rattle a little bit.